Hi guys, hope you are fine. And today I will discuss about the new campaign that was launched by MyGov, and this is a really very interesting and very important place that was launched by MyGov. And today's topic name is place to render my service for fight against Corona. And this is very important for all of us. And if you are not registered, you have to first take place and then you can download the certificate option. Since I have already registered here, so I don't need to take another place, so I just enter my phone number and download the certificate. But if you are new users, you have to first take the place, and let me show you how to do the things, like enter your all of the useful information like a name, gender, DOB, pin code. After entering the pin code, you see automatically state and district will be fill up, and then enter your email ID and your active phone number, where you can get the OTP from MyGov. Then proceed for language selection. After click on this button, you can see there are two options will showing. One is English, another is Hindi. You can choose any of them, and as per your preference. After that, you can you will definitely get one OTP from MyGov within few seconds, and enter your OTP and you just download the certificate. Since I have already registered here, so I don't need to take another place. I just simply download my certificate like this. See, I have already received. So this is a very beautiful place certificate, and the place is regarding like I resolved that I shall render my service to all the nation when called upon to do so. I shall abide by all government directions relating to lockdown, quarantine and isolation, or any other instructions and advices for protecting my nation and my fellow citizens and strengthening the fight against Corona hashtag. And I shall act responsibly in fulfilling my duty and inspire others also to do the so. It's my duty. It means this to provide your service during this pandemic time, so that society or even all the people can get the necessity services or product at this crucial time. And it's our job, it's our duty to provide the various kind of services or various kind of products. If you are in hospital sector, if you are in education sector, you have to provide your services, provide your necessity things as per your experience, as per your quality, so that society can get benefited at this particular at this pandemic time, at this crucial time. And this is very important to all of us to stand and make our country corona free, make the whole nation or world corona free, and also serving the services at this particular time, so that we can benefit it at this particular crucial time. So this is a very important campaign, and you can send the certificate to your mobile, email, or you can share the certificate to Facebook or Twitter, or even you can download this certificate here. I just click the download certificate, open. You can see this is a beautiful looking like very beautiful certificate, and if I zoom this, it's not very bad quality. It's good, and the resolution is 722 into 989. It means you can easily print out this certificate, and it's very useful certificate. It's really simple and absolutely free. So if you facing any kind of issues to download this certificate, don't forget to share your feedback on below comment box, and please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you. Have a nice day.